Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah. Please tell me all the bad, never good, fill my head full of every single doubt, yeah. Please say any negative thoughts, I pop off when I hear people say I cannot. I get off to the thought of proving everyone wrong, I won't stop to the top, so you better back off and get lost. I'ma stay loud, stay proud, never running out, never heading south, I'll be spreading out.
What's going on, Credit Sniper? This is your boy Carlos with the Credit Assassins, guys. I'm excited to be here today. I want to talk to you about business credit scores, guys. This is essential. I know that we all like to concentrate on a personal one, but if you're trying to start a business, the goal is to set the foundation in order to only use your business credit. Yes, at the beginning, you are going to be that personal guarantor for your business. But the goal is for you to be able to just move on and allow the business to fund the business, not you with your own credit. Guys, you want to make sure you separate everything. I want to show you, look, cash is king. Yeah, I could show you, you know what, you can have all the cash you want, but cash will only get you to a place if you don't set up the business credit. And this is why I would say cash is king, or money talks, or whatever you want to say. But remember, the money talks, but credit will get you into places and allows you to hold the conversations that you need. This is why all the big companies, huge companies, yes, they have the cash. Apple, YouTube, you're talking about, you know, all the big moguls, Facebook, all the big companies. They have cash and they could pay for every marketing item or even anything that they acquire with cash. But guess what? They always acquire debt. And that's what we want to make sure you do. You start creating that corporate credit that you need. Guys, my name is Carlos Estrada. You are right now in the Credit Assassins channel. Guys, I appreciate that you guys are here today. This is your first time on our channel. Do not forget to make sure that you subscribe. Make sure that you click on the bell icon. Now click on all so that you be notified every time that we post new content. And as we move on, I want you to give me the thumbs up. We're about to start coming with some content that is going to revolutionize the market. We actually have a new software that we just launched last week, guys. This is amazing software that is going to do the job of a lot of thinking, a lot of research that you need to do in order to start creating your business credit. Now, a software is going to allow you to do that in a matter of minutes, but more to that. Now, guys, give me the thumbs up. This is going to help many more people in order for them to start understanding what credit business is all about and how you can start separating your personal from your business. To remember, but at the beginning, you also need to have your personal credit on check, which means that the goal here is for us to help you to get your credit score 680 and above. That's the magic number right now and what we're trying to do. The higher it is, the better terms that you are going to get. How you do that? I mean, it's not going to be easy if you are in the low fives, low six, but it still can be done. Allow us to help you. You know, we're the Credit Assassins. We have some of the tools that nobody in the market has. Now, guys, like I said, business credit score has a factor, or has a determining factor of how successful you can be in business. Now, the goal is for you to start separating your personal from your business. Never cross collateralize assets, and you don't want to cross collateralize your personal and your business credit. So guys, your business credit score will be the determining factor of how much credit you will be able to get for your business, the interest rate that you'll be able to get for that lending, and approximately all the terms that are gonna be applied with that lending. So guys, it is up to you to start taking advantage, taking the responsibility of learning how to set the foundation for your business credit. It is, you know, in a way, it's a lot easier than your personal one. It's just, you got to take the steps, but you got to take the discipline. You got to start learning. Now, remember, we can definitely help you. Now, let's talk about the 3 bureaus that will report your credit scores. So now let's talk about Experian. So Experian is one of the new kids in the block. They are the largest credit bureau that reports your personal credit scores, your personal credit files. Now, approximately right now, only 3,000 trade lines report to experience or small business experience in this case, and that is because they are the new kid in the block, opposed to what is Dun and Bradstreet and Small Business Equifax. Now let's talk about Small Business Equifax. Now, Small Business Equifax has been around the block for a while. They're one of the oldest reporting credit bureaus for businesses. Now, they used to be called the Small Business Financial Exchange. Yeah, that was their name, the Small Business Financial Exchange, before they became Small Business Equifax. Now, the major reporting agencies or reporting entities that report to Equifax are mainly banks. So in other words, anything that your banks knows about you or about your business, Equifax knows it. This is why you need to keep in mind, anytime that you're getting a lending, or you are getting a loan, or your a credit card for your business, you need to be mindful what Equifax has, because this is the main credit bureau that also your banks will pull from in order to qualify you when it comes down for business lending. Now let's talk about Dun and Bradstreet. We all talk about Dun and Bradstreet, and I know a lot of people say you need a Paydex to actually qualify. So it is true and not. Now, Paydex is the credit score that you get from Dun and Bradstreet. Now you got to think, Dun and Bradstreet is the biggest reporting agency for your small business. Now, prior to 2009, Dun and Bradstreet had about 6,000 plus trade lines reporting to Dun and Bradstreet. So about 6,000 or more companies will report it. Now, after the crash of 2008, 2009, about half of those companies decided not to report to DNB. And the reason being is they felt like they were hurting their applicants or their clients by not being able to report, since a lot of people found themselves hurting because of business wasn't the same, and they couldn't pay the bills on time. So they went from 6,000 to about half of that. Now, something you got to keep in mind, anytime that you get a net 30. So a net 30 is a company or a type of lending that a company gives you that allows you to keep or to pay within 30 days. So that's what's called a net 30. So let's just say you go to, for example, a company, let's go to Staples. So Staples allows you to get a net 30. That means that you get some goods from Staples for your business, but you need to pay within 30 days. That's what a net 30 is. So mainly almost are all of the net 30 companies. That's where they pull from. That's who they report to. So, all right, so you got to keep in mind that each bureau has their own use. So you got Experian, Small Business Equifax, and you Dun and Bradstreet. Now, they all report to different ones. You know, the Experian actually get from a lot of companies to banks. Equifax concentrates mainly with banks, and when it comes to Dun and Bradstreet, mainly net 30s do report to them and work with them. So guys, you have to make sure that you keep a balance with all those threes. So in order to do this, you can research it, you can spend time, you could go to YouTube's YouTube University. Anything is foundable. That's a word. You could research it. Yes, it is going to take you time, guys. You can do it yourself. We all can do anything. Now, what do you prefer most? Do you value time or money? In my case, I value time. I want to get from point A to point B the fastest way, and I'm sure that a lot of you are the same way. Now, guys, what I want to tell you is that we have developed what's called the 360 Business Vantage. Now, this software is going to allow you to not only review your company, we're going to be able to incubate it, but it's going to analyze your company within 150 points of data. That is going to tell you anything that you're missing from your company, how your credit score is, and how we can help you. Now, guys, something you have to keep in mind is that once you finish the scan and within the software, This scan will let you know the current credit score that your company has and how we can start building a strong credit score for your business. This is going to allow you to get better lending, better interest rate, and better terms. Guys, I hope this helped you, and I hope this is you found value to this video. And if so, please comment. Let us know how we did, how we can do better, and how we can move forward in order to help you. Now, if you are interested in this software, we're still accepting applications. Remember, the first thousand. Now, if you're interested, call our number, 516-600-0127. Let us know that you're interested. Remember, you're going to be able to start and get into the software for free. Only the first thousand companies, guys. We're about third of the way there. We already been getting there's a lot of buzz. We've been presenting. We want to make sure that I put it out to you guys too. And if you are interested, make sure you give us a call. Now, guys, I appreciate that you guys were here today. Once again, if this is your first time on the channel, make sure that you subscribe. Make sure that you click on that bell icon, click on all, so that you'll be notified every time that we post new content. But at the same time, guys, give us a thumbs up. Thank you. We appreciate your time. Thank you for being here with us. My name is Carlos, and I am the Credit Assassin. And guys, I'll see you in the next video.
I take shots, I take loss, I make shots, I miss lots. I tell you get big box, you get yachts, you swing lots and pop off a big shot. I ain't done chasing, got big dreams, bigger things, impatient. Who's at the top think they need replacement? Who's at the top think I'm gonna erase them?